Welcome to my channel. How to install Ring Doorbell Camera. Fully charge the built-in battery by plugging it into a USB power source using the provided orange cable. When only one of the two LEDs on the battery is lit, the battery is fully charged. In the Ring app, select Set up a device and follow the in-app instructions. After setup, push the button on the front of your Ring doorbell to see video from the camera in the Ring app. For the best results, mount it around 4 feet, 1.2 meters, above the ground. If you're connecting to existing doorbell wiring that's higher than 4 feet. If connecting to existing doorbell wires, shut off power at the breaker. If you're not sure which breaker controls your doorbell, turn off the master breaker for your home, or contact an electrician. Once power is turned off, remove the doorbell button from the wall and disconnect the wires. Use the bracket as a template to mark the 4 corner holes. If connecting to existing doorbell wires, feed the wires through the hole in the mounting bracket first. Connect the wires coming out of your wall to the screws on the back of your Ring doorbell. Either wire can connect to either screw. The order doesn't matter. Hook the slot on the rear of your Ring doorbell onto the tab near the top of the mounting bracket. Then, let the doorbell pivot down to sit flush on its bracket. Use the star-shaped end of the included screwdriver to insert and tighten 2 of the security screws from bag B into the bottom of your Ring doorbell. Turn power back on at the breaker. It may take a moment for your Ring doorbell to power on. You'll know it's ready when it lights up and speaks to you. Thanks for watching.